Hi, so I'm here in Mansard, Riyadh by Radisson Group. Ang ganda ng study table and of course yung couch na to, relaxing. And nakakaiba yung kanyang side lamp. Diba? And of course, my king size bed. And here is the full mirror. Hello! And of course, yung kanyang CR. Automatic yung light. And then, meron din siyang coffee area. And refreshment inside the refrigerator. A nice place, cool place. Nice one.